question 5, it's saying calculate the volume in milliliters of 50x TE buffer required to make 1.5 liters of 1x TE buffer. Record the correct amount rounded to 1 decimal place. So let's go through and figure out what the question is asking us. So you need to make 1.5 liters of 1x TE buffer. You have 50x TE stock, so really what you want to do is find out how much of the 50x stock you should use. All right, so the rule to follow here is going to be C₁V₁ equals C₂V₂, which is our dilution formula. So C1, that's going to be our starting concentration. Which is 50x. V1, that's the volume of stock to use, and that's what we're trying to get to. Volume of stock. C2 is going to be our final concentration, which is going to be 1x. And V2, which is our final total volume, and that's going to be 1.5 liters, final volume. So now we just simply plug our numbers in. We get V1 on its own. So now we have it in liters, but we're not done yet. So we need to convert this to milliliters. So you multiply by 1,000, which gives us 30 milliliters. But we're not done quite yet, because the question does say record the correct amount and round to 1 decimal place. So we have 30 ml, and if we round to 1 decimal place, our final answer is going to be 30.0 ml. And so that's how much of 50x TE buffer that we need.